Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see this question, how to solve this question over here. So what will we do first? We are going to take this equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 34, this equation and this one. So let us consider this equation as 1. And what we will write here? The next one, that is x plus y divided by y is 13 by 8. So this equation can be rearranged as, let us see how. That is equation, we can say, can be rearranged as, how can we do that? We'll just cross multiply this one. So what will be that? So it is going to be 8 into x plus y is 13y. So now what will you do? You are going to expand this into this into this. So that is going to be 8x plus 8y. So 8x plus 8y is 13y. So now what we can do here, we can take this, because this also is y, this also is y. So now let us take this y on the left hand side. So 8x plus 8y minus 13y is 0. So now what we can see here, that is when we take these both are the like terms, that is plus 8 minus 13. So this is going to be what? This is going to be minus 5. So that is going to be minus 5y. So we can write it 8x minus 5y is equal to 0. So now let us consider this as equation number 2. So now what will you do? Now can you see this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So the x values of this are different as well as the y values are different. So we cannot solve this directly, these two equations. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply equation 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. So we get, so now let us see how are we going to do this when we multiply this one 1 by, first now let us write both the equations. What is equation number 1? That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 34, and this equation now let us write, then it becomes easy for us to multiply it. 2x plus 3y, this is the original what I am writing here, and 8x minus 5y is 0. So if I am multiplying this equation, this was how? By 5. This is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2 and equation 2 by 3. So what will I get here? See, 5 means I have to multiply this everywhere. This should be 5 and here it's going to be 3. Hope you got this one. So now what will be the first equation? That is going to be 10x plus 15y is, if I multiply 34 by this 5, that is going to be 170. So now if I'm multiplying the second equation by 3, so 3 8s are, that will be 24x. Again that will be 5 into, this is going to be 15y, and this 0 into this is going to be 0. So now let us see here, this 15y plus 15y minus 15y, this gets cancelled. So when we are going, if we add this one and then you are going to add this one, so that is going to be what? 34x is 170. So what will be x then? X is going to be 170 divided by 34. So when you divide this one, so 34 times 5 is going to be 170. So x is 34 ones are 34 5s are. So x is 5. So now we are going to put this, we can say x is equal to 5. We'll put in any of the equation. Now let us put in the equation number 1. So what is the equation number 1? That is 2x plus 3y is 34. So now let us put here, first let me write the equation here, 2x plus 3y is 34. So what will I do here? 2 into, in place of this x, I will put here 5 plus 3y is 34. So this is 10 plus 3y is 34. So 3y is 34 minus 10. So 3y is going to be 24. So this y is going to be 24. Actually this is multiplication. So this is going to get divided over here. So this is going to be 3. So y is 3 ones are and 3 8s are. So y is 8. So now what do they want here? They want the value of what? That is 5y plus 7x. So now let us put, we got x and y values. So therefore 5y plus 7x. So this is going to be what we do, 5 into y is 8 plus 7 into x is, what did you get the value of x? That is 5. So what will you do here? This is going to be 40 plus 35. So the answer is 75. So this is the final one. So by this one, we have completed this question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.